Hey there, future travelers! Are you ready to explore the world but feeling a bit overwhelmed by the visa application process? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the fun and easy steps to apply for a visa. No stress, just excitement. Let's get you ready for your next adventure. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you ever applied for a visa? What was your experience like? Or are you planning a trip soon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your travel plans and any tips you have for fellow adventurers. Also, check out the links in the description. Now let's get started. Step 1. Choose your destination. First things first, decide where you want to go. Research the country and see what type of visa you need. Tourist, work, student, etc. Step 2. Check visa requirements. Every country has its own rules. Head to the official embassy or consulate website of the country you're visiting. Look for the visa section to find out what documents you'll need. This could include your passport, photos, and proof of funds. Step 3. Gather your documents. Get your documents ready. This might include a valid passport. Make sure it's not close to expiring. Completed visa application form. Some countries let you do this online. Passport-sized photos that meet the specific requirements. Proof of accommodation, like hotel bookings. Travel itinerary, show them your awesome plans. Proof of funds, like bank statements. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Now it's time to fill out the visa application form. Be careful and double-check your answers. You don't want to mix up your birthday with your dog's. Step 5. Pay the visa fee. Most visas come with a fee. Check how much it is and pay it. Some countries let you pay online, while others might need you to pay in person. Keep the receipt. Step 6. Submit your application now. Submit your application along with all your documents. You might do this online or visit the embassy consulate in person. Smile when you hand over your papers. It can help lighten the mood. Step 7. Attend an interview, if needed. Sometimes you might need to go for an interview. Dress nicely and be ready to answer some questions about your travel plans. Just be yourself, and you'll do great. Step 8. Wait for processing. Now comes the hard part, waiting. Processing times can vary, so be patient. Use this time to plan your awesome adventures. Step 9. Receive your visa. Once approved, you'll receive your visa. Check it to make sure all the details are correct. If it's a sticker visa, carefully place it in your passport. Step 10. Pack your bags and go. You did it! Now pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for your adventure. Don't forget to take lots of photos. Bonus tip: stay informed. Keep an eye on travel advisories and any changes to visa requirements before your trip. Better safe than sorry. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the visa application process. We hope these steps make it easier for you to get that passport stamped and embark on your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Have you ever applied for a visa? What was your experience like? Or are you planning a trip soon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your travel plans and any tips you have for fellow adventurers. Also, check out the links in the description. Safe travels, and remember to keep exploring the world around you. Happy adventures, and see you in the next video.